Today topic is urban sprawl. Urban sprawl is another important topic in environmental education chapter. Meaning of urban sprawl: the spread of a city into the area surrounding it, often without planning. Here, surrounding areas are rural areas near to the urban areas. Here, urban areas means cities. Here, sprawl means spreading in an area carelessly. Next, definitions of urban sprawl. First definition is urban sprawl refers to the expansion of population from high density urban areas to low density surrounding areas, often without planning. This results in the speeding of the city over more and more rural land. Now I am explaining to this definition. Expansion means spreading population into the new areas. This means city occupying land of rural areas for growing population. Here, high density urban areas means a number of people living in a particular area, that is urban areas or cities or towns. Here, low density surrounding areas means rural area, that is near to towns or cities. Here, in first definition, urban sprawl means spreading of population from urban areas which is having more population that occupies low density surrounding areas. Low density surrounding areas are rural areas, that is near to the town or cities. This means city is occupying rural land, that is more and more rural land. Next, second definition for urban sprawl is urban sprawl refers to the migration of population from populated towns and cities to low density residential development areas over more and more rural land. Here, migration means movement of population to another region. These are two definitions which we discussed. Next, causes of urban sprawl. First cause is a large ad or large land. That means people can get more land for less price in rural areas, but people can't get for same price more land in urban areas. This is one of the reason which causing urban sprawl. Second cause is two-car garage. This means car parking space also sufficient in a large land. Next, third cause is safety and security. Safety and security is also more in rural areas than in urban areas. Next, fourth cause is not as stressing as cities. This means people are free from traffic and pollution in rural areas than in urban areas. Next, fifth cause is children can have the opportunity to feel freedom more often. This means children can have more play area in rural areas, so they can get freedom to play in the more area in the rural areas. Next, sixth point is the availability of water is more in rural areas than urban areas. This means water source also good in rural areas than in urban areas, and this is one of the cause of urban sprawl. These are the causes we seen in the urban sprawl. Next, effects of urban sprawl. The effects or problems of urban sprawl includes, first one is increased traffic. This means population will begin to use their cars more often. which means that there is a more traffic on the roads and there is also more air pollution and more accidents on the roads. Next effect is health issues. Here, when people use their vehicles even to go to a very short distance, people are going to be more overweight and are also going to have diseases like blood pressure and diabetes, that is due to overweight. And due to traffic, air pollution also causes. Air pollution causes asthma, TB, and some other respiratory disorders like allergies also. Next effect is environmental issues. Urban sprawl can also cause certain environmental issues that you may want to be aware of. Even though there is a development of land occurs, but animals are losing their lives in particular lands. Next effect is effect on social lives. This means when people move further out, they also have an effect on their social lives. They don't have neighbors that live as close, which means that they won't really stay as social as they should. This means neighbors may be less in new areas. New areas are nothing but here rural areas. Next effect is land degradation. This means the change in the characteristic and quality of soil which adversely affect its fertility is called as land degradation. Land degradation causes loss of natural fertility of soil because of loss of nutrients and less vegetation cover also occurs, and pollution of water resources including with ground or water also. This means land pollution also occurs due to urban sprawl. Here land pollution causes decreased fertility of fields and pollution of groundwater may also occurs in rural areas. తెలుగులో అర్బన్ స్పాల్ అంటే పట్టణ విస్తరణ లేదా వ్యాపనం. పట్టణ విస్తరణ అనేది సరైన ప్రణాళిక లేకుండా అధిక సాంద్రత గల పట్టణ ప్రాంతాల నుండి తక్కువ సాంద్రత గల పట్టణ ప్రాంతాలకు జనాభా విస్తరణను సూచిస్తుంది. దీని ఫలితంగా నగరం గ్రామీణ భూములకు విస్తరిస్తుంది. ఇలా పట్టణ విస్తరణ ఫలితంగా భూమి క్షీణత అంటే ల్యాండ్ డిగ్రేడేషన్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ట్రాఫిక్ సమస్య అంటే ట్రాఫిక్ ఇష్యూస్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, పర్యావరణ సమస్యలు ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, పర్యావరణ సమస్యలు అనగా ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ఇష్యూస్, ఆరోగ్య సమస్యలు అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ కలుగుతాయి. మరియు భూమికి పెరుగుతున్న డిమాండ్ జాతీయ వాతావరణాన్ని నాశనం చేస్తుంది. దీనివలన జాతీయ వాతావరణం కూడా నాశనం అవుతుంది. అంటే అర్బన్ స్పాల్ ఆర్ పట్టణ విస్తరణ ఆర్ పట్టణ వ్యాపనం వలన జాతీయ వాతావరణం నాశనం అవుతుంది. జంతువులు తక్కువగా అవ్వడం, వ్యవసాయం తక్కువ అయిపోవడం కూడా జరుగుతుంది పట్టణ విస్తరణ లేదా వ్యాపనం వలన. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆఫ్ అర్బన్ స్పారల్ ఆర్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ అర్బన్ స్పారల్ తెలుగులో సమస్యలు ఏమేమిటివి అంటే భూమి క్షీణత, ట్రాఫిక్ సమస్య, పర్యావరణ సమస్యలు, ఆరోగ్య సమస్యలు కలుగుతాయి. I hope all understood topic of urban sprawl.